Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a little mini unboxing, and this time it is for Influenster. This is a VoxBox that I received about 2 weeks ago, and I'm finally going to open it. I just received an email from Influenster saying that I was going to get like the year products or something like that. I don't know, something like that. But anyways, this is the box right here, and if you guys don't know what Influenster is, it's pretty much a company that sends out products for you guys to review, and it's completely free to sign up. You just have to connect your Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, every social media app that you have. You have to review products and check your email constantly, and then they will eventually send you products. Anyways, I will have them linked down below if you guys want to check it out and receive cool products. So yeah, anyways, let's unbox this. I'm excited to see what I got. I should have got my blade. This is like dangerous right here. Okay, I think I got it open now. So let's see what they sent me. Ta-da! So this is what they sent me, and I think it's a bunch of little samples. So as usual, they did send me a card of how to review my products, and this is the Best of Beauty VoxBox, so that's nice. And in the back it tells me the products that they sent me. They also sent me a little card here for a mascara, and maybe they send me a mascara, we will see. Okay, so I'm not gonna go in any specific order. I'm just going to grab stuff from the box. And so here is the first product, and it looks like it's a little sample perfume, and it looks like they sent me the Allegra Flori de Amore perfume, and it looks super cute. It looks like a little candy cane. I mean, the picture looks like a candy cane. And here is a little sample, so I'm super excited for this. And it says Flori de Amore Eau de Parfum, a magnificent floral expressing the loving exaltation of receiving a giant bouquet of roses. So let's smell it. Here, I'm going to put some on because I don't have perfume right now. Okay, so this perfume smells really good. It's really soft and subtle, and it does smell like roses. I love the scent, so I'm really happy that they sent me a little sample, and I can't wait to use it. And I'm going to have to eventually buy my mom a full size because she loves perfumes. And let's see, on the card it says Bulgari Allegra Flori de Amore captures the passionate energy of Italian love and a sensual rose fragrance. Its fresh, youthful aroma of red roses is underscored with a new modern accord, Prelude Raspberry. So there you have it. Okay, now the next product here, it is this right here. And what is this? I thought it was a chocolate bar for a second. Okay, they sent me the Clarins Paris Double Serum little sample. It says experience our powerhouse duo, Double Serum and Double Serum Eye. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's a bunch of them, like a bunch of little samples. Look at that. So that's really nice. Cool. I can't wait to use these. And here, let me read the box right here. It says, inspired by worldwide best-selling Double Serum, 2 power-packed serums in one with 13 potent plant extracts for a youthful-looking eye contour. Effectively target all visible signs of eye aging. 96% ingredients of natural origin. All ages, all ethnicities, all skin types, even the most sensitive skin. So I'm excited for this. I can't wait to have younger looking eyes. And right here it actually says that in 7 days you'll get younger looking eyes. It says hydrated 95%, visibly smoother 90%, revitalized 85%, visibly firmer 84%. And it tells me how to use it right here. Fold, press, mix, apply. I'm definitely going to be using these for the next 7 days, and we will see if I look younger, or my eyes look younger. So right here it says Clarins new Double Serum Eye, 2 power pack serums in one, enriched with 13 potent plant extracts including turmeric and organic wild chervil. Okay, so the next product here, it is the, oh, they sent me 2 of these. Okay, they sent me this Clarins Double Serum. Oh, okay, so these two go together. Okay, now I understand. This is the double serum and this one is just the... Wait, they're both double serum. So, okay, I'm not sure if you put this on your eyes as well or just your face or what. I will figure it out, but that's cool that I got the one for the eyes and then I guess this is for the face. Cool. Okay, now the next product, it is this right here and it is a mascara. This one is the Big by Definition Sephora mascara. This one retails for $12. I'm not sure if this exact one or the full size. Oh, price for full size. It's like in small letters and I'm blind. So anyways, I'm excited that they sent me this little mascara and I will be trying this out this week. It says volumizing and lash multiplying effect, 135% fuller lashes, and it is a vegan mascara. Scientific test on 24 false lashes after 20 strokes of brush, formulated with no ingredient from animal origin. So that's cool. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And it's a cute little sample right here. I am going to open it because the mascara that I have right now, it's like almost completely gone. So I will be using it this week. And this is what the wand looks like. And it looks like it's a pretty good wand. I actually prefer these types of wands. And we will see if this actually works and volumizes my lashes and multiplies them. Anyways, maybe I'll do a separate video just using this mascara so I could test it out. Maybe comparing it with the Tarte Ego mascara. And so the card was for that mascara. Anyways, that is everything that I got from Influenster in this VoxBox. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also got this VoxBox and what do you guys think. Or let me know if you guys got different products in your VoxBox. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.